Welcome dear students. Today we are going to study about three experiments. In experiment number 1, we will study about or we will check whether the leaf contains starch. And in experiment number 2, we will check whether or if sunlight is required for photosynthesis. And in experiment number 3, we will check whether chlorophyll is required for photosynthesis. So before going to experiments, what we have studied in last class, we have already studied that photosynthesis require sunlight, chlorophyll, water and carbon dioxide. So we should check it whether is it right or wrong. So in experiment 2 and 3, we will check this about this sunlight and chlorophyll. So are you ready for these experiments? Before going to these experiments again, there is a common thing for all these experiments. We are doing a starch test, a test called starch test in all these experiments. Before going to this starch test, I hope that you remember what is starch, isn't it? We have studied what is starch in last class. What is starch? Plants store their food in the form of starch. So, starch is one of the form of sugar, okay? And plants store their food in the form of starch. So, what is starch test? Starch test is very simple. It's a test used for checking whether a substance contains starch or not. How will you check? Or how will you do this starch test? You can take some iodine solution and put 1 or 2 drops of iodine, and if the substance turns blue-black, it means that it contains starch. And if there is no color change, it means that there is no starch. So did you understand? Do you know what is this iodine? This iodine is a chemical and it is usually violet or brown in color, and one form of this iodine is used at hospitals or sometimes at homes. It's used to wash the wounds. Okay, before you are applying the medicine, you will wash the wound using this iodine. Have you seen this iodine? I hope some of you have seen. What is this starch test again? It's a test used for checking a substance contains starch or not. And how will you do this starch test? Take some iodine and add 1 or 2 drops of iodine to the substance, and if the substance turns blue-black, it means that it contains starch. And if there is no color change, if the color of the substance does not change, it means that it does not contain starch. So I hope that you understood starch test. Now we can move to the experiments one by one. Okay. What is experiment number 1? In experiment number 1, we will check if or does the leaf contain starch. So there are some steps for doing this experiment. First step is to take a leaf from a healthy plant. So after taking the leaf, what you should do? You should take the leaf and boil it in the hot water. Okay, you can see here. You should take the leaf and first boil it in hot water. After that, you should boil it in alcohol. And how you will boil it in alcohol? You should take a beaker or a container having water, and you should take this alcohol in a test tube. Test tube means a small glass container, and keep this leaf in the test tube containing alcohol, and you should keep this test tube in this boiling water. Okay, so you should not heat or boil alcohol directly. You should heat or boil alcohol. How? By placing it in hot water or boiling water. Okay, and why we are boiling this leaf or heating this leaf in alcohol? It is to remove the chlorophyll present in the leaf. Now, what is the next step? Next step is to take this leaf from the alcohol and put it in water and cool the leaf. Now, we take the leaf and go for the final step. What is our final step? Take 1 or 2 drops of iodine and add 2-3 drops on the leaf. Then what will happen? You should check what is happening. You can see that the leaf turned blue-black in color. Okay, the whole leaf turns into blue-black. What does that mean? It means that the leaf contains starch. So, did you understand the first experiment? It's very simple. First, take a leaf from a healthy plant. Then, what you should do? You should boil it in hot water. Then in alcohol. Then, you can dip it in cold water. Take that leaf and finally add 1 or 2 drops of iodine. And it turns blue-black, and it means that it contains starch. So that's all the first experiment. Now we can move to the second experiment. What is the second experiment? Second experiment is to check if sunlight is needed for photosynthesis. So let us check it. So what are the steps for doing second experiment? What is the first step? You should have a healthy potted plant. Okay, you should have a healthy potted plant. And what you should do? You should take this potted plant and keep it in a dark room for 1 or 2 days. Why you are keeping it in a dark room for 1 or 2 days? It is to de-starch the plant. What is meant by de-starching? You already know that this potted plant was kept in sunlight before. It is already in the sunlight and it is preparing food and it already contains starch in the leaves. So, when we keep it in the dark room, what happens? There is no sunlight there. So, there is no preparation of food. So, what happens there? This food stored by the plants in the leaves or the starch contained in the leaves will be used up by the plant. So, after 1 day, what will happen? There will be no more starch in the leaf. So, you understood why we are keeping it in dark room for 1 or 2 days. It is to de-starch the leaves. That means to remove the starch that is already present in the leaf or in the plant. Now, what you should do? Now you should take the potted plant, select 1 leaf or 1 or 2 leaves and you should cover a portion, a portion of the leaf. You can see in this picture, you can cover a portion of a leaf using a black paper. And what you should do now? Now you should take this potted plant and keep it in sunlight for about 4 or 5 hours. Then what will happen? This plant will prepare food by using sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water. And after this, what you should do? You should pluck the leaf which you have covered with a black paper. You should pluck that leaf and now you should do the starch test. And in the first experiment we have studied how you will do a starch test in a leaf. How you will do a starch test in a leaf? You should take that leaf and first boil it in water, then boil it in alcohol, then dip it in water and finally add 1 or 2 drops of iodine. And you should check what is happening. And you can see that only those portions of the leaf which were uncovered, which were uncovered with the black paper turns blue-black. the portion which is covered with the black paper, it does not show any color change. It means that sunlight is required for photosynthesis. The portion which is covered with the black paper does not receive any sunlight and it doesn't produce any starch or food. So you can be sure that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Now shall we move to the third experiment? Third experiment is to check if chlorophyll is required for photosynthesis. So how we will check that? So we should have a coleus leaf. Do you know what is coleus leaf? So this is the coleus leaf. Okay, what is specialty of this coleus leaf? This coleus leaf only contains chlorophyll in some parts of their leaf. Okay, it usually contains chlorophyll at the end parts and the middle portion. Okay, you can see here. In this middle portion, it does not contain any chlorophyll. It may be either red or brown in color. From a coleus plant, you can take this leaf and you should draw an outline for this leaf. Okay, you can draw an outline for this leaf. You should sketch an outline for this leaf and you should mark which portion contains red and which portion contains green. You can sketch like this. Now what you should do, you can go for the starch test. Now you are taking this coleus leaf and first boiling it in water, then you are boiling it in then alcohol and finally dipping in cold water and you are adding 1 or 2 drops of iodine. Then what will happen? You can see only those portions which were green earlier turns to blue-black in color and the portion which was red or brown in color, there is no color change. What does it mean? Only green color portion means only the leaf which contains chlorophyll or the part of leaf which contains chlorophyll can prepare food or contain starch. That means chlorophyll is required for photosynthesis. Did you understand? So in all these experiments you are repeating the same. Okay, repeating the same starch test. In the first experiment you are doing starch test for a leaf, and in second also you are doing starch test for a leaf, and in third also you are doing starch test. What is the difference? In first experiment you are directly doing the starch test. In second you are keeping the plant in a dark room, then in sunlight and covering the leaf with a black paper and then doing the starch test. In third, the difference is that you are taking a coleus leaf and doing the starch test. So, if you study the first experiment clearly, it's very easy to remember the second and third. So, I think you understood it well. So, let me conclude. Today we have studied about 3 experiments. In the first experiment, we concluded that starch is present in leaf. And in second experiment, we have seen sunlight is needed for photosynthesis. And in third experiment, we have seen or we have studied that chlorophyll is required for photosynthesis. So that's all for today and we will meet again in next class. Okay, thank you.